Okay, quick video today. So let's see. I didn't do much in these two accounts. PRTK I bought some. It has data coming. Could have a little bit of a run up in it. I should have bought it on the dip. I wanted to buy it on the dip, but I'm a worthless dip buyer, so I didn't. Always look so scary buying dips. Let's see here. REN was an absolute monster. Didn't have much size, but just down 10%. I started covering way too fast. I guess I covered most of my shares in this 41 area or so. Um, Bioc, they had earnings, and I kind of overstayed on it a little bit. I was up like 4,000 on it overnight, um, but yeah, kind of overstayed on it. ANAB got stopped out. There were no bids. I had to chase it down in the 2260s to get stopped out. That was annoying, but I only had tiny size, so it wasn't bad slippage. BSBR was nice. I covered about um, a third, I think. Gap down from the Monday entry or the Tuesday entry. I don't know what day it is. Anyways, man, so many trades. I don't even remember these. Oh yeah, so this one I'm still swinging it short. BLPH is sized down. Market was very weak. They have data coming this month, so I don't wanna be holding a big position in case it's bad data. ICHR finally got stopped out of this one. I've been in it since the 3rd of January, so I caught a nice almost 70% move, and today it violated the 20-day moving average, and in time there will be another setup on it, but for now I'm out. For now I am out. Shopify was strong. I had it short overnight, but stopped out. PAH I added to my short yesterday. Looks very vulnerable here, especially with the markets getting a bit weaker. So I think, yeah, 12 area could be a reasonable target. I may even add more today. Momo, absolute monster. I mean, this is the kind of stock. I fucked it up. I fucked it up, and yeah, I should have bought 6, 7, 8,000 shares on it, and I just wanted a little bit more dip. Unfortunately, it did gap up. I got it on the dips, and I wanted the dip to the sub 30, but never came. Zero. Saw some volume near the open. I bought it and just no follow through, but it held a higher low, so it could still have some another breakout in a few days. But all these, a lot of these things are failing for now. Weight Watchers try to short it. No go. Anticipated the breakdown. YRD short overnight. Some looks like it's gapping up a little bit, which is good. I really want this thing in the 32s or 33s or something. It's up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days in a row. Today is day 6. It's gonna have a red day eventually. Today I'm probably gonna do a lot more size. MRNS, I should have held it overnight. I had 15,000 shares at 150 average, and I kind of got stopped out. I was afraid it was gonna stop me out at low 140s, and because a lot of other things started pulling in, and but it kind of closed pretty strong, so it could very easily have followed through to high ones or something. So yeah. VRX, that one was annoying. This one was really annoying. I bought it here at 170 midday. after it consolidated for a while. I bought a bunch of shares. I was up 3,000 on it. I sold some. It pulled back, almost stopped me out. Started grinding back higher. And then I had some kind of a news. I saw a big red candle, big volumes. I sold it for a loss, for almost $1,000 loss, and then it just ripped. I mean, this could have been a $5,000-$6,000 trade if it wasn't for that news. It just stopped me out here. Very annoying, super annoying. Just anyway, so those were the trades and positions. Let's look at the watch list real quick. So a lot of shorts. EXCL, I'm looking for pops, ideally in the high 21s to short. I think this thing will pull back to 20. CC, I think it needs to break this 33. The rising 20 days gonna be at 33 today when the market opens. Right now it's at 32.69, but it's gonna be at 33. So it's gonna be a clean rising 20 day moving average break. No support until like 28 or so. So this is going to be one of my main watches. Meili, another one, been straight up, grinding higher. There may be a setup on it. Nothing I'm going to watch closely though. PH, I talked about. This one also has a clean range break to the downside here at mid 181s. Could very easily fade $10-15 with a $2-3 stop. Masi, I'm not really excited about it anymore. It's just been consolidating here and it's really not extended in the way I want it to be. But if I see a good setup, I may do it. PTLA, oh my god. I bought this breakout down here, got stopped out here, and it just, wow. Yeah, that one sucked. But now I'm looking at it for a short. Potentially. Not super excited about. Weight Watchers, this one I like as a short. This one I like as a short. Not so much. This one I like a lot. If this one can get to 25, 26 today, that would be awesome. PRKR I missed the buy opportunity 2 days ago. It was a kind of epic move, and it just faded today. Nothing here. See, ESPR I'm stalking. Hopefully it can overextend to 40. This one hopefully can go to 44, 45. GBT I'm looking for 40 plus. Dries, I actually looked at it as a potential long yesterday, but it kind of woke up out of nowhere midday, or actually late day, and just ran, and I missed that buy opportunity. But it is on short watch. If you can, especially if you can go to low mid twos, that would be very nice. Long watch list. This is the shortest long watch list I've had since I started doing the videos, I think. Just go through it really quick. Nothing super exciting since the market is kind of weak, and you know, breakouts are not gonna have a lot of follow through in this kind of a market. And then we have some stuff here. OCRX, this is also another big trade I missed. I was looking at it to buy over this 90-cent area. I used like a 5-7 cent stop, but I didn't, and now it's up. 120 is in after hours / pre-market. MRNS, maybe I'll buy some on the dips if we get some. Snap is a big trade I missed. I mean, oh god, today could have been an epic day. Just dropped the ball to completely. I saw it perk here after putting in higher lows for a few hours, and could have risked like 20-30 cents and to make over $1, but I just didn't pull the trigger. VRX I talked about. If you can get some dips, I may buy it today. UVXY is gapping up a little bit because the markets are gapping down. Not super excited about APRI. Had some news. Maichen, very tight range. Not really excited about it either way right now. I set an alert. Could be a buy if it gets the rising 100-day. Ice Age Star, there's no setup here. Rat could be a meaner version buy. Not super excited about it. Now this one I'm excited about. If we can go to this 33, 32 area today for a potential meaner version buy. And same thing with TEL. If it can go to, I don't know, mid-low 10s, that would be epic. Or even high mid-9s, that would be even more epic. This thing could easily rebound $3, $4, $5. Let's look at some. So there were two breakouts. If I had seen them earlier, I would have probably bought them. Let's see here, 8th March. So dries. PIP perked off the lows, gapping up in after hours. I was thinking about doing it, but no. RGLS had some insider buys. I don't know why this one is here. CIA had hit piece, another hit piece. It's had some news, I think it had earnings. Nah, can't remove it. GNMX, so this one had a big call buying. They have data this month, and it looks good. But again, the data is gonna make it or break it, so it's a little bit of a gamble. So I was thinking about buying it, but I passed. Specs just totally failed. NIT failed. This one had great earnings, big volume. This is the one kind of stock you look back at it a few weeks or a few months from now, it's gonna be at 150 plus. Nothing here. Buyout rumors. So oil, wow, it's gapping up a lot. High 38s. This is ETF. This one had some news, no follow through. This one tried to break out, nothing here. So why? A lot of China stocks perked today, but Momo is the leader. PRTK I'm long. Another biotech stock. Tried to perk. EBLT very thin. No. Taking it off radar. This one tried to break out. There's just not enough strength to look good. This one looks good, but again, market is shaky. Pips had a nice breakout going until it closed pretty weak. Now this one I missed. I tried to get it on dips in that 2055 area, but just nothing there. Maybe I'm gonna try to get it today, but nah, I'm gonna pass on it. MBLY tried to break out, but fell back into the range. That's what happens with breakouts in weak markets. They just fall back into the ranges. Another one, TLND, fell back into the range. ARRI tried to break out, fell back into the range. Now that is not a good sign if you're a breakout buyer. Now this one was a good one. I was looking at it in the 206 to 7 area. Passed on it. Had some very good volume. Had some news. This one also, I tried to get it in the 745 area on dips, but no go. Very good looking short. This one tried to break out again, fell back, almost fell back into the range. This one looks like it has an potential. I mean, it could go to 14 or so, but it's probably just gonna fail. This one, I don't know if it had some news or something. Pixelworks, I got stopped out a couple of days ago. I got stopped out here, and today I woke up on volume. I couldn't find any news, but obviously it sucks. I got stopped out here at 384, I think. 386. Yeah, 386, and well, that sucks. Husa woke up on some volume. GV very extended, but this thing could go to a parabolic run to 10 or something. Trox broke down. Found support at the rising 20-day. Let's see if it can hold it. REN. If it wasn't this low priced, I would have bought it. I saw it break out here at 27 cents. Could have bought it at 27, but and risked to 25 or so. Very low price. I mean, what am I gonna do? Buy 50, 100,000 on the offer or something? I mean, it's just too expensive. ECN fees are gonna eat me alive. This one perked off the rising 10-day support. Nothing exciting. This one broke down. So remember, I shorted it here. I had a really good trade on it. GBT. Buyout rumors. Recent IPO looks good. Okay, that's it.